Okay.
Yeah, so see how it says Edge Collider 2D? I'm not
In
sure.
the inspector.
Yeah, in the inspector, there's a sprite render, and then there's
Oh.
an Edge Collider 2D.
Edge collider. Where am I looking?
Lurkin and drawn.
Appreciate the lurk.
What are we drawing?
Drawing all the things.
So I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure why Edge Collider and not Polygon.
Oh, here. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So it's Edge Collider 2D versus like add component. If you add component, you can do Polygon Collider 2D. The reason I just ask is because Edge colliders are weird.
Okay.
They don't have thickness, so if you have like discrete collision on, sometimes like objects can clip through them, whereas polygon colliders are thick.
Okay.
They draw all the triangles inside the polygon. So if you add it, you'll see that it goes from being an edge to having like it should have the actual polygons inside. Composite operation none, that makes sense. I don't know why it's not showing the internals.
Edge collider 2D just like default? Because I don't think I did anything with that. It was just.
I think it was. I was just curious. I don't think you probably did set it up. I just wasn't sure why.
Okay.
If there was a reason for it, because generally polygon colliders are more reliable with with interactions.
Should I uncheck?
Edges are useful for certain things, but
okay.
It's usually like an example of this would be like if you played one of those games where you like draw a line with your finger or the mouse, and then you have like physics objects like rolling down them or whatever. That's where you would use a edge collider.
Like the old school little skateboardy game.
Yeah, or like Line Rider.
Yeah, Line Rider.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
So should I uncheck edge?
So you can remove the edge collider, and then apply the prefab, because the level V1 is a prefab. So if you go up to the top and you hit overrides and apply all, it'll add a polygon collider to anything that references the same thing. So all of those level V1s should have polygon colliders now.
Okay.
Because I'm assuming they all reference the same thing. Yeah,
it looks like it. Okay.
Perfect.
And I guess I don't technically need, I have like 2 levels here just because I don't think I figured out how to make them bigger yet. I don't technically need that, right? 2 levels of them? Do you see how I have like there's
you
one
have a bunch,
yeah,
multiple.
There's like the top row and then a bottom row.
You probably don't. And I figured the top bottom row was like some kind of like having like some of them be like background ground or something, but yeah, you don't need both if you just have one ground layer.
So I think that's why I did it, because at first when it was showing the space below.
Hello.
Hey, Faye.
Hello.
So I think this ground is literally just that. And then I think it was just filling in empty space is what I had.
Gotcha.
But I don't think I need to do that if the camera's right here, right?
Yeah, I think you're all good there.
So I could potentially delete all those.
Yeah, I would delete the lower ones.
Lower.
I don't think they're... Yeah, because I think you're actually standing on the higher ones.
Yeah. Let me just make sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you're not seeing them at all, so it doesn't matter.
Yep.
Okay. I can delete that one. That one.
You can probably just click on them in the scene if you unlock them.
Oh, fair, yeah. I'm getting the right. Alright. That should be fine. Yeah.
You can move around and stuff.
Yeah, so that also broke. The character controller broke. I can't. I don't know if Jude is still here.
We can look at it too if they're not. I can see what's going on.
Yeah, so what? Would that be under the hero?
Still here, yay.
Jude, yeah, I broke it. I broke the character controller.
Oh, there's no character controller script. Is the character controller script a child of it?
So I think I just deleted everything by accident. There were 2 hero players for some reason.
Oh, you might just need to add the controller component.
Okay, so add component.
I also don't see. Go into the hero prefab. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna need it looks like it's just a sprite.
Yeah.
Okay. There another? I was like, is there another hero component that's a prefab?
I know Jude had one in there.
Fixing emerge conflict with the audio. Okay.
No rush, Jude. No rush.
Because we can just pull once you fix that, we can just pull the whatever branch you're on.
Okay.
And fix any merge conflicts we get on this side. Packages with warnings. Oh no! I hate that button.
I was wondering what that was.
I freaking hate that button so freaking much. They added it because they're like, oh, there's packages with warning. Let me guess. It's something like it's an error, and it's going to be something like this. This package doesn't have isn't signed or something like that.
Yeah.
Annoying.
Well, yeah. Guess everything.
Yeah. Well, we can mess with. It looks like. So you said Sin Machine is in the project already?
I saw something. Oh, this.
Yeah, it says Sin Machine right there. So yes, you do have Sin Machine in the project. Very cool.
Okay. So that's how we can do our little.
Yeah. What I can do is actually save this while we're waiting. We can make a new scene.
Okay.
Right. Oh, you're back. Okay.
That's quick.
Dang it. Okay, fine. I was gonna show you how like the ways you can use Sin Machine.
Okay. Yeah. Let's
fix the hero. Let's fix the hero first.
Yeah.
As I said, I'm pretty sure it's just add a collider. I'm assuming because it's 2D, can't do character controller, so it's collider, rigid body 2D, collider, capsule collider 2D, and then
so we actually had script. I remember Jude and I had an issue yesterday with it. And they had it working, but there was like no gravity. He was just flipping around doing all kinds of things. And then I wasn't seeing whatever they had. I forget. Add player controller.
It's right there, player controller. Yep.
Just this one?
Play controller. Yep. Yep.
I thought I was missing something.
And then it needs a rigid body 2D. Yep. I see the technical hooks. The hooks. You probably have to add a rigid body component.
How do I do that? What am I doing?
Add a component.
Oh, a separate. Okay. Ridge. In the ridge body, freeze rotation.
RIG. Rigid.
nothing. Or do I
Not
add it?
RIDG, it's RAG.
Oh, duh. Sorry. Dyslexic here.
No worries.
2D.
Rigid body 2D, yep.
Okay.
And then, as they said, in the rigid body, freeze rotation Z. So under constraints.
Constraints. Am I belong? Oh, here
There's
it
a
is.
little drop down, yep.
Freeze Z. Okay.
Freeze the rotation, yep. And then drag the rigid body 2D into the RB section of the technical hooks. So drag the title bar there and into where it says, yep.
Okay, got it, cool.
Then what layer is the ground on?
I think 0.
So select one of your grounds in your collider. Yeah. It's on default.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
We're gonna try to create an empty body, name it foot detection, put it below the actual hero sprite.
The ground check.
Oh, just like a.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll get that after. Change the ground layer to default.
Oh, yep. Okay.
And then, are you saying like a child object that has a collider on it? Like and then as like a trigger volume or something, or like a trigger for it?
Drag that on the ground check. Oh boy, a lot of words. Okay.
Yeah.
It's
just an empty game measure. Oh, okay. So you're using it as like a transform just for like where to do the or the shape cast or something, or the shape overlap shape. So yeah, go into the hero prefab. Actually, apply these to the prefab. So go in and scroll back up to the top. Apply overrides.
Apply all.
Yep.
Okay.
And then and then we want to go into the hero prefab. So click the little arrow to open just the hero prefab, and then add a right click on the hero in the hierarchy.
Oh, yep.
And then create empty. And then name this ground check.
Okay.
And then click the hero, scroll down to the player controller, and then drag the ground check object to the ground check field. So from the hierarchy to the inspector.
Okay, yep. To ground check. Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
Perfect. And then move the ground check so that it's below the player. Okay, so yeah, just drag that.
Drag this.
Put it below the actual hero sprite. Yeah, so you have to put it in the scene.
Yeah.
Move it to their feet. Yeah, so click on the ground check in the scene in the hierarchy. Double click on that.
Okay, yep.
Yep.
Put it at their feet. Gotcha. Okay.
And then put that at their feet.
Great. Like on it or like right below?
Yeah, just right at the center.
Okay. That, I guess. I don't know. Whatever works.
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so that's saved. So go back to the scene. And in theory that works. So try it.
What you think looks best? Okay.
Nope. Okay.
Oh no. Womp.
Oh, we didn't add a capsule collider. Yeah. Or did we? Yeah, we
Aren't
did.
the ground colliders?
No, we need a capsule on the player.
Okay.
On the hero, there needs to be a collider. We have the rigid body, but not the collider.
Okay. Add a collider on player. Yep. Okay.